Hi everybody, I was gifted a great face serum. It is firming, it is hydrating, and best of all, in my humble opinion, is that it reduces dark spots. So I get a lot of dark spots from the sun. I always have. I wear sunscreen. I just have very pigmented skin. And so this is really great. The thing I like about it the most is that it doesn't stink. A lot of these smell really bad. So this is what it looks like. You get like a little bit at a time. Again, this is a huge bottle, so this is gonna last for a really long time. So you just rub it in, you can see it absorbs quickly. You can also use this on the back of your hand if you get sunspots. I'm fortunate I don't get them here, get them on my face and my chest. So again, it is definitely reducing the dark spots. Mine get to be very, very dark, and so this is working very, very well. I also love that it is so moisturizing, and it does also have that firming effect as well. So you can see there, that's what it looks like as it is drying. I put it on every night, and then I put my other products on over top of this, but you don't even really need a moisturizer with this because it is so moisturizing. So if you need a dark spot solution and an all-in-one, something that's also going to firm and moisturize and brighten your skin, this one is great. Check it out.